was about to flip the fan over. That'd be funny.
Alright.
Hold on a second. Let me just see something.
So, Metal Pete
I think it's just the
is
flywheel's loose, honestly.
Yeah.
Let's
checking
get down.
the
Let me see. Let's let it run for a
blade balance of our, what is this, Emerson what?
Tristar.
There's a pointy tip. Right
Yeah.
there. I'm gonna zoom in.
Pretty
so you
pointy
can see.
overall, I think.
Pointy.
Oh, wow. What? Seems like it's going pretty slow though. I wonder if the capacitor is bad. Let's see what it's whirring.
Know what it's rated for?
Around an amp. 0.84. I'd have to look at my video of the last one to see if that one draws considerably.
Is that the right
more.
focus?
Looks good.
Let's see here. I think the circumstances will. Does somebody have a phone that could easily pull up the video of my last Tristar and see what that one was? How much current that drew?
I have to be Pete.
What'd you say? Yeah.
I don't have.
Is there, you don't have a smartphone, do you?
No.
Are you from the Stone Ages?
I have a dumb phone.
Yeah. Is it suitable for insert anecdote here? Fairly certain that I was.
Okay, you got this one that's
Yeah, see what kind of current draw that sucker had. You might have to skip ahead to where it's on high, because otherwise the low current draw isn't going to give us much help. Rated 0.88.
yeah.
Wow, that one I want to test the capacitor in too, huh? Let's see. Let's go back side. You filming, Abby?
Mm-hmm.
This is interesting footage. This is us doing reconnaissance work.
I feel like I'm gonna fall over.
No, that one's only 0.78 on high. So this one is more better on high than that one. So I guess this is what about the high should be.
Yeah, it's 0.84, so
Yeah.
you said 0.88,
Yep.
so that's pretty close.
Yep. What are you gonna do this time? You're gonna work Andy's camera, Abby?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
control and
Oh, Metal Pete wants to do the controls.
yeah, this is
Okay, I'll do my camera then.
yeah.
Hey guys, what we have here is an Emerson Tristar. This is an earlier one labeled Air Design as opposed to Emerson or Tristar. Air Design was a showroom line of fans that Emerson did in the early 90s. And I don't know what they would have called this model as Air Design.
Wait a minute. Oh, never mind.
And it's interesting, it is a textured off-white finish, whereas the Tristar that was actually labeled the Tristar would have been gloss appliance white. So that's interesting. Did not come with a light kit. Do not know if one was offered this early. Came with a 4-speed wall control with like a rotary dial that was 5, 8, 11 was what my capacitance tester measured, which is odd because 8 plus 5, my math skills could be failing me. But Abby, what's 8 plus 5?
8 plus 5?
Yeah.
That'd be 12. No, that's 12. 13.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
I knew that.
So I don't know how you'd have an 8, 5, 11 control, but that's what it measured. So let's check it out. Metal Pete's over there on the 1s and 2s.
Okay.
You ready to go, Metal Pete?
Yes. Here we
It's
go.
rated at 0.88 amps.
1,
Nothing from 1.
2. Oh, it's starting.
It is starting with 2, and I'm gonna steal. You said your best shot. Whoa! You said your best shot was over here next to where Abby is, so I am going
Yep, and I
to.
even sit down on the floor or on that, and pretty much point straight up at it. Okay, and it's going.
What did you say it was drawn at point?
It's 0.09 right now.
Try over here.
Alright, 0.14 at 3. Here we go at 4.19. And then at 5, we're at 0.23. Let's kind of let it get up to speed just to see what kind of low. This looks like a reasonable low. Just feel that. Yeah, that's enough of a low to get like a gentle.
I would have thought this would have been the most metal of the fans that we had for testing today, but this was not Metal Pete's first choice. He
Well,
thought that the Island fans was more metal. So.
I was curious about those. Those were different, so. But I still wanted to do this one.
That's true. This was your second choice.
Yeah.
Still sufficiently metal.
Yeah. Okay, here we go at 6. We're at 0.28. Let's see what.
Oh.
That isn't a bad one. 7. We're at 0.32.
So here's what I have to decide. Which one goes in the museum? The white one with no light, or the black one with a light?
I would say the one with the light because that might look a little bit better in the museum. But the white one sometimes matches the other fans.
Those are all very good points.
Yeah, something that stands out is what she's saying. But either of these, really, I mean, this is pretty rare. Okay.
Yeah, both of them are rare.
Yeah.
Which one is the rarest?
I don't know. I know of 4 Tristars in existence. One is black, 2 are white, and then the 4th one, I don't know what color it is. If it's black, they're both equally rare. If it's white, then black would be the rarer one. Although,
So the black is the rarest.
I don't know yet. It also depends if it could also be gloss white, and in which case that would be just as rare.
I think what you should do is put the rarest one in the museum because that would have more safety
we'll
or
figure
something.
that out. Okay, we're at 0.36 on 8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going up to 9. 0.40. Okay, we're starting to head towards medium, and I'm feeling a little breeze on my leg.
I'm not feeling anything.
I feel some air.
Yeah, I thought you would.
I think you're just not used to it because you got all that hair in the way and stuff.
Okay, now I'm going up to 10. 0.44. Okay, we're like on a medium low. Alright, then. Okay, on 11, I'm only at 0.43, so I really don't get much difference there.
It's the spinal tap amplifier.
Yeah. Okay, on 12, I'm getting at, going back 0.46, I saw 0.47. Okay, I'm going to go to 13. 0.49. 14.
What's that noise?
Probably the bearings.
Oh, I can't tell. Hold on just a second. Let me hear. What does it sound like bearing noise? We'll find out when we get to high. It's a different sort of noise than I'm used to for bearing noise.
Okay. Well, at 14, we're at 0.52. Alright, and 16 at 0.57. So we're into medium. 17, we're at 0.59. 18 at 0.61. Numbers are only going up smaller now. Starting to head towards high.
Do you want to skip to 25 or?
I'm going to go with 21 just to see.
Okay.
At 0.66. 22, we're at 0.67. 23, 0.68. 24, 0.69. I'm going to just do 25. We're at 0.7 on 25, so we
Okay.
still got quite a ways. 39 at 0.77. Max out at the capacitor, I'm at 0.78, and we're still got a ways to go. I'm going to flip it to high, and
Still making that same noise, whatever it is.
yeah. Okay, I'm at 8.4 on high, but apparently we cannot reach rated current on this capacitor. It's maxed out. So we're
This
at
thing running.
0.78.
No, what? Okay, yeah, I thought it might be those wires rubbing against something, but it's not. They were fully protected. So, here, why don't you take the camera for a second? Put
Alright.
that back on there. If you
Okay.
want, you can spin it down. I'll do
Alright.
that.
First, let me go to high. Well, first, before we spin it down.
Oh, it wasn't on high already?
Nope. Well, I did for a quick second just to test.
Ah.
To see comparison to the capacitor. And yeah, the capacitor's maxed out. Before we spin it down, let's check our airflow back.
Sure. I mean,
Test it.
I'm sure it'll leave out the same as the last one I tested. The last
Please just
Tristar.
stop it and then it
Let's
tests
see,
it.
well,
Andy makes a better door than a window.
What are they doing back there?
What'd you say?
What are they doing back there? Show us what they're doing back there. Oh, I don't think we're quite there. There you
I really feel some airflow.
Yeah, it looks like it's going slow, but it's really not. It's actually doing pretty good back here.
I mean, the pitch is quite.
That's true. It is very steeply pitched for a residential
Yeah.
fan.
But if this was in,
Do you
better
test it now?
working
Do
shape,
you test
okay.
it now?
Well, it
let's-
seems to be in pretty good working shape. but
Yeah.
For some reason, it's making a noise.
Okay, spin down. Let's see here.
Like adjust the camera.
So once we reverse it, why don't we do like 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. You know, go by. Start with 2 because that's where it started, and then go on the multiples of 5 after that.
Let's go back out.
Okay, where's the reverse?
Right
Show me. Let's see.
there.
Show me where.
Right there. Oh, whoops. So much for spin down. That's okay, because I wanted to see. It could be that flywheel being loose making that sound. The flywheel is a little bit loose, and it was going to be a huge endeavor to get to it to tighten the set screw, so I didn't do what I figured it was going
Alright.
to. 0.09, you want to take us to,
Five.
So you can see it and then just,
0.23.
and then just
Okay.
That's me, I
adjust
think it
that
almost looks
however-
cooler in
however
reverse.
is good for you to see it.
Yeah. Okay,
If you want to be a real camera person, you got to put it on your shoulder.
let's see the same rating if I just max it out. And I'm at 0.77. Basically.
Okay. That's with 40, right?
Yes, it's maxed
What happens
out.
when you hit high?
It goes up to 0.83.
So it's the same in forward and reverse.
Yep. But compared to straight power and the capacitor,
Okay.
it's the capacitor maxes out and,
Okay.
and you got more room. So I'm gonna spin this one down and we'll spin this one down. I'm sorry about the last one. But I
Yeah.
had to get the reverse because I did not see that. So
There we go. My charger came undone. Here we go. I'm putting it in my... So after this, we can do that fast go, and if we still have time after that, we can do the round nose.
the only thing I want to do is also help me get that capacitor.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that.
Yeah.
That'll take all of 30 seconds.
Yeah, and just a quick test to make sure that capacitor will do it.
Yeah.
Because I want to make sure I didn't get another bad one.
Well, we'll test the capacitor with a capacitor tester and just make sure. But I've never ordered one from eBay and had it come bad. So
Well, or at least be on the low side.
you want to do solid state?
Yes, solid state.
Did we do it on reverse?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do forward but solid state. Okay.
Yeah, maybe you mentioned it, but I didn't hear it. Does this one have a canopy?
Yes.
Oh.
I didn't mention it. Sorry.
Okay,
It has the canopy.
I'm at
It-
0.9 and I already got it started.
Actually, there might have been a way for me to mount the canopy without using the ball socket bracket. It has
Okay.
a canopy's kind of shaped like the motor, kind of triangle shaped. There might have been a way to mount it without using anything
All right,
extra.
I got
didn't-
it started and
just
I'm at
do the
5
wire.
o'clock here.
Oh, if nothing else is available.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
All right, I'm gonna go up to. I'm at 4:30. I'm gonna go up to 3 o'clock.
Okay. What was it? What amperage did it start on?
.9, 0.09.
Okay.
0.09. So it's already.
What does 0.9 mean?
It means
fraction.
Yeah. It means .9 means almost 1. It's 90%.
90% 1?
90% of
Yeah.
1.
9 out of
You know,
10.
you know what percent are, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
9 out of 10.
So .09 is the same thing as 9%.
9?
9 out of 100.
9 out of
So
100?
let's say that you have $1.
A dollar.
Okay? $0.9 would be 90 cents.
90 cents.
And $0.09 would be 9 cents.
9 cents?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm gonna go up
This is
to
our
2
math lesson
o'clock.
video.
Yeah.
2.
This video brought to you by the letters. I got nothing. ERS. What fan brand? SMC.
Yeah, there you go. CEC.
I'm not sure what you're talking about yet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fan
One.
names.
One.
You know, they had the nerve to put a pimp on that show. They call him the Count.
Are you doing a Dave Chappelle impression?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
Don't forget, hi, bird. I'm really stoned, bird. Okay, time to go to 1:30. Oh, yeah, please film on the... So everyone needs to see that, too. And then get the fan to show what it's at. You got the control. Let's get the fan, and that's what it's doing at that speed. Okay, now I'm gonna go to 12 o'clock on the dial. Come back to the dial, and I'm gonna move it to 12 o'clock. I'll go back up to the.
forum over here.
Yeah, go. All right, can you go back up to?
If I do hang this in the museum, I'll figure out what's making that noise. It's either something caught in there, bearings, or the flywheel being loose.
Okay.
Just never heard that particular
All right.
noise before.
I'm gonna go to 11 o'clock. I'm at 0.65. And I'm gonna see what high does now. Okay, high is 0.81, so a little less than.
Yeah, it's usually a little less. We'll turn it back down, we'll spin it down, and then we'll do a 0 to 100.
Okay, we already did a spin down.
Yeah, and reverse. We don't have a forward one.
Oh yeah, sorry
I'm
about
not
that.
gonna say who sabotaged that. It could have been anyone.
Who was it?
Could have been anyone.
Who was it?
You'll have to just watch the video to find out.
I don't even know what you're talking
I'll
about.
give you a clue. Their initials are MP.
But still, I don't know what you're talking about.
Somebody stuck their hand in the fan when it was spinning. And
Trying to find the reverse switch.
Did you hurt your hand?
hopefully.
Ear design, huh?
Yeah. I don't really know the story behind that, other than that prior to Emerson coming out with a line of fans in the 90s under their own name.
Yeah, it's
their
kind of a
line
quick
fans
spin
were
down
really-
there.
Yeah, so it still could be bearing issues. You want to just hit high?
Yeah. Okay.
I put a little WD-40 in the top bearing, but not, I mean in the bottom bearing, but not in the top one because I couldn't get to it. So, could be the noises from the top bearing. Could be the bottom bearing, could be the loose flywheel.
But I mean, well, like I said.
How high did the current go?
Oh,
Did it
it's
go
like
higher than 0.84?
no, actually,
Okay.
no.
Okay. Well, that's the Tristar for today.
Here it goes.
Next time you see a Tristar, presumably will be one in the museum, hopefully. Thanks for watching.
Bye.